storm warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m.
Thought the WX alert was off.
7 p.m.
I thought the WX alert was off.
Along a line extending from Lake Mills to Otter Lake, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour.
Turn it
Hazard,
off.
60 miles
Click
an
it.
hour
Just click a
wind
button.
gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, public. Trees have been reported down across portions of Wildwood County with these storms. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Pewaukee, Parkland, Delafield, Lake Mills, Waterloo, Wales, Okauchee Lake, Oconomowoc, Ottawa, Britain, Johnson Creek, Dowson, Lac Wabell, Axonia, Ashevin, Lebanon, Nashotah, Milford, and Waterville. This includes the following location: Pewaukee Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.